Don't go too high because the air's going to get heavier up high or windier.
I'm letting it go until it's just moving with the wind right
now. Whoa. It's a heavy wind blowing at us right now. Feel it to the behind us.
Dad, I did the bowling on the baby park and I got a strike.
Did you?
It's like,
Come down with it.
I'm trying. Yeah, Grandma make a snake and then we just push it down.
Oh. No, we don't want to go real high because it went too windy, Jenny. There you go. Can you do some circles?
I'm not going that way.
Wind.
Yeah.
You're doing all right.
It'll be okay.
Hey, you're doing all
The
right.
wind will switch.
Yeah, you're doing all right. What do you think? Oh, there you go. I think you get used to it and do some good things with it?
I'm on beginner right now.
Oh, are you? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm on 0.
All right. It's lasted a while.
I'm using here a lot.
You're using what?
The rudder. The rudder's
Oh,
cold.
are you?
See?
Yeah, you are. Wow. Okay. We'll holler when we're ready to go.